Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to try something. Well, it's not really new because I have done it before, but I wanted to try it differently this time. And by that and by the title, you can already tell I'm going to be doing the Perm Rod sets. I did it before on my locks, but the results was kind of So I'm going to be trying it again, and hopefully maybe it'll be like a little bit different, a little bit curlier, like with a little bit more bounce. So I'm really not sure how it'll turn out. Hopefully better than last time, but honestly we're just gonna have to wait and see. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, and I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. So I'm going to be using this only because it's going to make the curls last a little bit longer, and it won't drop as fast if it was just water. So I do like about 2 pumps, and I do it on 4 locks. And the reason being is because for the front, I did about 2 locks per perm rod. So once I finish doing that, then I take my perm rod. So for the perm rod, I do the same thing like when I was natural, and I make sure I tuck the locks under first, and then I twirl, and then I roll it down. And also, like when you're securing the perm rods, make sure that you do the little the black elastic band over the lock so that you make sure it stays in place and it doesn't like move when you move, basically. But that's pretty much all I did. I just rolled the lock, and I make sure the ends of the lock are under so that it doesn't like unravel, and like the ends will actually curl up like I want it to. So for this next part is when I realized that I was going to run out of perm rods. So I basically added an extra lock. So I added 3 locks per perm rod. And once I finished putting my mousse, I basically just tucked the lock under and just kept going. I didn't do the twisty thing that I was doing before because I didn't want a chance for it to unravel because it was an extra lock than I was doing before. So for this curl pattern, it's going to be a little bit more different. It won't be as loose. It'll be like a tighter curl. So basically, I just did the same thing as before, but I didn't do the twisty motion. So once I tucked my locks under, I just kept going straight down until I didn't have any more hair left. And then the most important part is to make sure you have the little black elastic part over the perm rod so that it does not move when you're sleeping. So I did this because I was running out of perm rods, but also because I wanted to show you guys there's more than one way that you can do the perm rods. And I do know that the little twist thing can be like a little bit extra sometimes. So this method is also like easier and much more simple to get it understand. So you can also do it this way, or you can do the twisty motion. It just depends on whichever one is easier for you. So for the takedown the next day, I didn't really have a method. I didn't even use oil or anything. I just went in and I was just, taking out the perm rods. And you can actually see like a clear difference. And you can see that, like there's a curl there. It's not wavy, but like clearly there's like a curl pattern. I really, really like that. And it was defined. Like you could clearly see there was something going on there. I really, really like that. And also, I will also say that there was a difference in terms of, like you can tell where I had the purple rods and where I had the peach rods, because the peach rods were a little bit more loose. Like the curl was hanging like a little bit lower, which was expected, of course, because, different sizes and things like that. And then I will also say that the front section where I didn't do the twisty motion, that one was also different, but it wasn't too bad. So basically what I did once I took everything out, I was just like playing with it, just messing around, just to get it to lay the way that I wanted it to, because I wanted to keep my middle part. I didn't want a bang, so I just messed around with it a little bit to get it all to blend together so that you couldn't tell that I had different size rods everywhere in my head. It took a little while, I'm not gonna lie, but eventually I think I got it down, and I really, really liked how it looked. So this is pretty much how my locks looked after I finished messing around with it. I really, really liked it. Like, the curls was really, really giving me what it's supposed to give. I'll definitely feel this a lot more than when I did it last time. And this is just how the back looks. I just really like how it's all very cohesive. Definitely like that. I would definitely say to just, play around with it. Get it to look the way that you want it to look. And that's pretty much it. So let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.